Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products, back with another boost tip video. Today we're talking to those 03 to 13 Ram owners. And guess what we're talking about? Yep, you guessed it, steering. The notorious death wobble that comes along with those trucks, especially once you start changing around some of those factory suspension components. Now, Synergy Manufacturing has got you covered to help alleviate that problem with their steering upgrade kit. Super awesome kit, extremely heavy duty. It comes with the drag link and the tie rod. The drag link is going to be 1.5" solid bar, whereas the tie rod is going to be 1.5" heat treated chromoly. So you're getting extremely heavy duty parts. You got double adjuster sleeves, so you can make sure that all of your steering components are in the right alignment. Now this kit comes with the option to add a tie rod steering stabilizer clamp. And if you don't know if you need it, it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is answer a simple question. Are you running your stock steering stabilizer? If the answer is yes, then yeah, you need that clamp for the tie rod. If you're running anything else like a PSC, or you just simply don't have a steering stabilizer on your truck, you do not need to add that for this kit. Comes with everything you need for a complete drop-in installation, no modifications necessary. As far as the drag link goes, it does fit stock height up to 6 inches. If you're over that 6-inch mark, you will need a drop pitman arm to make sure this kit works for your truck. If you wanna get your truck going down the road in a straight line, make sure you reach out to us at Diesel Power Products so you can pick up your steering upgrade kit from Synergy Manufacturing.